We often need to insert text into slides. For example, we want to add the title and speaker information to the first slide. Insert a text box and input text. Click Edit and click Text Box to insert it. Then input the text in the text box. Edit the text style. Next, we need to edit the text. Click Tools to enter the Home tab, where we can set the font style, font size, color, spacing, etc. First, click the Font Style Setting button to choose from the preset styles. Here we choose Android Clock. Click the Return button and adjust the text to a suitable font size. Then set the font effects for the text. We can make the text bold and choose Other Text Color to highlight the text. You can also adjust the text spacing or alignment as needed. Surely, if you want to make the text vertical, you can click Vertical to achieve it. By the way, if you need to number the text, you can use the numbering function, which provides diverse numbering lists for selection. You can also set the numbering hierarchy by selecting the text and clicking Decrease or Increase. Edit the text box. When the text settings are finished, we can resize the text box by dragging the gray circle icon on the box. Hold the text box, and you can change its position. If there are other objects in the slide, red dashed lines appear for easier alignment. If you want to beautify the text box, click Tools, and you can set the fill color, border colors, border styles, border weight, and object hierarchy. When setting the fill color, we should choose a color that is similar to the background color and complementary to the font color to make the slide look more comfortable. Here we choose light blue. Or we can choose another method, that is, to beautify the box by setting border colors. Make the text box unfilled and set border colors. Choose a dashed line style and set 4 points at border weight. Then a simple border style is done. Tips: at Object Hierarchy, we can change the hierarchy of the objects, including text boxes, shapes, and pictures in the slides. After setting the title, we can repeat the above steps to add more text. If some text is redundant, you can click the text box and click Delete. You are recommended to download WPS Office for PC to edit the slides with more personalized and professional functions.